Alrighty, yep, this is Steve down here on vacation in Medellin, Colombia. I live up west of Cancun, up on the Yucatan Peninsula with a lot of Canadians and Texans and Floridians, but I'm decided to get out of the hot weather up there in Mexico and come down here where it's constantly 65 degrees all year round. It's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and buy soybeans here. Here we go, I'm going to buy 951.75. Alright, so I bought soybeans, which is right here. 951.75. So I'm going to make a note. In 951.75 soybean. And I have one contract. Yeah, I can go in and change this color a little bit so I can see it better. Let's see. Wow, what was that? Stuff's starting to move. The futures market is a part of the stock market, but it operates pretty much 24 hours a day for most things. Although, yeah, soybeans and oats trade from 7 p.m. at night till 7:45 in the morning, and then it closes down for a little bit, and then it reopens at 8:30 and trades till about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm down. As soon as you buy, it always wants to go a little bit lower. But we're in a channel here. That's what this is. This is a channel, and these are controlled by algorithms and machines. And so I purchased in here 951.75. Yeah, I'm down just a little bit, 25 cents. But that 25 cents down is a loss of $12.50. And that's what the futures is. It's got more risk. It's like going into 10 casinos at one time. Although it's more controllable than 10 casinos because you control the action here. And Bitcoin, I've been messing around with this for a couple of days, and I should have sold it yesterday and I didn't. Today I'm down $350. I'll look at that here in a few minutes. Right now I'm watching soybeans. I also own one contract natural gas. I'm down $75. Feeder cattle I held over from yesterday because it's on a buy list today. That can all change, so don't make any trades based on what I'm saying. Just observe what I'm doing. Just trying to show you how this works. This is the NASDAQ. It's, you know, it's near, well, actually it's coming down. This might be one to possibly short, which means you're going to bet it goes down, and to do that you sell it first, then you turn around and buy it later. And that whole process, you can make money when things are going down. So that's why they always say you make money going, you know, long or short. Doesn't matter what the market's doing, because whatever you're trading is going to go either up or down. So in theory it sounds easy, but it's not. Because if it's so easy, everybody would be staying at home doing this, you know, instead of working for somebody else. This is designed maybe for retired people, for the futures market that is, or if you have a little bit of experience in trading stocks or exchange traded funds, then they'll probably let you do futures. But if you don't have any experience, you're not going to be able to do this. It's going to be too risky, and they won't accept your application. Nothing personal, it's too risky. But if you have a little experience, or you want to learn this, you can just paper trade it. Just make trades on paper, look at the charts, and just trade it. Don't put any money in it. Just say, okay, I'm going to buy soybeans at this price. But you have to know what price to enter, and that's the trick. That's right, there's the trick. Okay, so back to soybeans. It's right here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change this a little bit here. It's a little hard to see. Let's just do white. a little bit easier? Yeah, that's easier to see a little bit. So all this movement, this is soybeans, and then it came down the channel. This is the top. It couldn't bust through this side. This is the base, and the algorithm is right in here. Up and down, up and down. And now I'm up 50 bucks. See this? Watch. See right here? Watch right here. Usually, most of the time when it hits the base here, if it doesn't, you know, if it has support, then it won't go through here and go lower. And then up here is where it gets fun. If it has enough oomph and push, it can bust through this wall and just really go higher. I've seen it all happen. All kinds of different instruments, as they call it. So now I'm up. See, now it's back down. See how fast it moves? Watch. Let's take a look at the British pound. You know, last night I was up late. I made several $100s trading the British pound, and it's still, as of now, kind of on a a buy list because of the Brexit thing again. So I'm just waiting for it to come down. This right here is too risky to buy. You don't know which way it's going to go. It's got downward pressure. So if it gets lower here, I may consider. So I'm just waiting for it. This is hogs. And yesterday I took a position, $68.90. I sold at $69.25. And how much was that? Let's see how much I made. Yeah, I made 140 bucks. Not bad. Just that little difference in price equals $140. And here's the tops. And then right here you can draw, well, like right now. No, this, I'm sorry, this closed. This is live, yeah. This is hogs. Pigs. Bacon. It's not open yet. It doesn't open until about 8:30. And right now it's almost 7. So, on the watch list for today again, I'm going to go ahead and take this out because I already know what I did yesterday. I don't confuse you. Get rid of all this stuff. Move that. Here's the ceiling. I'll leave that there actually. And this just shows where I kind of bought yesterday. I've also got a position in feeder cattle. Is this feeder cattle? Yep, feeder cattle. And this happens to be the January 2020 contract, so it's way out there. I bought it and did well yesterday, and then I decided, oh hell, I'll just hold it. So I'm down 50 bucks when it closed at about 1:30, 1 o'clock yesterday. And I'm in at 142.50, and it closed at 142.40. This is the NASDAQ 100. This is a good one. Technology, United States technology, top 100 in one, basically in one symbol, one contract, one index. You don't have to be, if you buy individual stocks, you know, like Amazon or any of these, you have to know what's going on inside each of these companies. And boy, it's tough. I learned that the hard way when I bought Apple back in 2006 or yeah, somewhere around there, 5 or 6. Whenever Steve Jobs came out, said he had cancer, and I lost quite a bit of money in Apple. It ended up getting it back, but it took forever, like 8 months. So I don't buy individual stocks anymore. Just too dang risky. You know, what is this? Let's see, NASDAQ's got a spike here. 7874. Is that about right? Somewhere around here. Alright, so what are we doing? I'm trading soybeans. I bought it, and right now I'm still at $0. So I'll stop this video and we'll come back and we'll see how we're doing. This is Steve down here in Medellin, Colombia. I'm on vacation for a couple more weeks. It's nice here. It's 65 degrees all year round. It's beautiful. About 4 million people, though, man, condensed in a very tight area. We're in a kind of a valley in the mountain. I think it's the Andes Mountain, maybe. Anyway, a lot of people here, and I'm just not used to having 4 million people around me. And at one time, 30 years ago, we know Pablo Escobar, the cocaine patron, when he was in business here, this was the most violent city in the world. Like, I don't really sense that much, well, not here. I'm in a nice area of the city, pretty ritzy actually. I didn't realize it was this nice until I actually got the hotel. But this is what they call level 6, which is the wealthy area of the city. And the hotel I'm in is nice. Not that expensive of an airplane ticket, and 3 weeks, 21 days lodging. Really inexpensive. From Cancun to Medellin. Wasn't that bad. I think it was about $800 all it cost me. American. Pretty cheap. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to get this video uploaded. And today is October 15, 2019. It's now 7 o'clock. So things will start getting interesting here. I'll be right back.